Okay, so I guess I'm too short if I sit, but I'm not going to be sitting, so that's okay. Awkward. Let's open a beer. Guys, it's Christmas, so we're gonna have some celebration beer from Sierra Nevada, which is their fresh hop IPA, and I love it. All right, we're doing a little weird thing today. It's front camera because you don't need super high quality to watch me organize my makeup, I guess. So basically what I did was I went shopping with my friend yesterday and we did a massive haul at Daiso. Focus? Turn the light down so you can see. Yeah, so I went to Daiso and got these cute bins. They're just plastic. I've had like a bunch of different styles. I'll turn the light back up in a second. I like this little guy. It's like for, I would assume this is for like mail sorting. I'm gonna use it for mail. And then this one too is really cute with the rose detail on it. So I got those, and then I already have these guys, which are my brush. Put the light back on. I think I'm actually gonna have you guys lower so you can see what I'm doing on my desk. We'll see how that goes. But yeah, let's do it. We finished organizing the beauty space for now. So we've got our Jeffree Star box. I'm so excited to open that today. These are all the brushes that are clean and also my thing for beauty sponges. I've got my 2 mirrors set up here. This is where I put my phone or my iPad to record. And we have lip liners, eyeliners, and brow gels and mascaras. This would be our makeup removers and setting sprays, and then some Fenty stuff I want to use. Beer and water, and my bottle opener, of course. And this is our foundations here, and some our what are they called? Concealers. This is our new bin of stuff that we haven't tried yet. Over here still needs a little bit more work. I've got some miscellaneous brushes and blushes and organizers, things like that, some more makeup bags down there. This is the lipstick collection. Some other eyeliners and mascaras I don't like as much. And then these are the bins we put together. It's our Juvia's Place, Lime Cry, and Jeffree Star. These are some, this is a gift card for food, I should eat it. And then these are some just random palettes that I have. And this is my Morphe bin. That's the Dare to Create palette. And Jaclyn Hill palette. And yeah, so that's that. Over here, still needs more work, I think, for sure. It's just like some random stuff. So that's the beauty room. I hope you enjoyed getting organized with me. And I love you guys so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.